Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're exploring a standout in the world of lip color, the MÄTYSUR Matte Lipstick. Let me say it right at the start. This is the best lipstick matte long-lasting non-drying you'll find in its class. From its performance to its texture and everyday wearability, we're going deep into what makes this product a must-have. First, let's talk about what hits you the moment you open the tube. The design is sleek and modern, lightweight and easy to carry. It fits perfectly in your hand and slides into any makeup pouch without bulk. You'll love how premium it feels even before the first swipe. Now, onto application. The MÄTYSUR Matte Lipstick glides on effortlessly. It's creamy, smooth, and richly pigmented, meaning you don't need to apply layers to get bold, beautiful color. The color payoff is immediate and striking. One stroke delivers intense pigmentation that instantly enhances your natural beauty. Whether you're going for a bold look or something more subtle, there's a shade in this range that will suit your style and skin tone. Here's the part that sets this lipstick apart. It's non-sticky and completely smudge-proof. You can wear it for hours without that tacky feeling some matte lipsticks leave behind. There's no drying, cracking, or feathering around the edges. In fact, it has a hydrating formula that keeps your lips feeling soft throughout the day. It's infused with nourishing ingredients to maintain moisture while still delivering a flawless matte finish. Another major win is the longevity. The MÄTYSUR Matte Lipstick is genuinely long-lasting. You can sip, snack, or chat for hours and it stays put. And yes, it's waterproof. That means whether you're out in the rain or enjoying a summer pool party, your lip look stays intact. No constant mirror checks, no reapplication anxiety. Let's also appreciate the versatility. This lipstick isn't just for one age group, it's designed to flatter women of all ages. The shades are universally flattering, which means whether you have fair, medium, or deep skin, you'll find a tone that lights up your face. It's ideal for everyday use, office looks, date nights, or even bold statement glam. Now, let's talk value. Each lipstick comes in a 0.07 ounces tube, which might sound compact, but trust me, it goes a long way. You don't need much per application, and with its staying power, you'll be using less product over time. Priced affordably, it's an absolute steal for the quality you're getting. Cleaning it off is simple too. Though it's long wear and waterproof, you won't need to scrub harshly to remove it. A gentle makeup remover or cleansing balm takes it off easily without irritating your lips. To sum it up, the MÄTYSUR Matte Lipstick delivers on all fronts: rich pigment, non-sticky comfort, long wear, and hydration. All wrapped up in a travel-friendly package. If you've been hunting for a lipstick that stays on, feels good, and looks even better, this is your answer. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest, in-depth reviews. See you in the next one.